Firmbee for freelance management. Collaboration with freelancers sometimes seems to be complicated. With Firmbee, it doesn't have to be like that. Follow these 4 steps to get to know how our freelance management system can cover all your business activities while working with freelancers. Recruit freelancers easily. With Firmbee, you can carry out the entire recruitment process. Create an HR project to specify the search, post job offers, and start searching for freelancers. Collaborate with your hiring team while hiring. Distribute tasks and track the progress of recruitments. Thanks to our WordPress plugin, you can even gather freelancer job applications from your WordPress webpage. Keep your contacts organized. When you work with a bunch of freelancers, it's worth having all data related to each of them sorted and structured. With Firmbee, it's easy to keep an organized freelancer database. Check your freelancers' contact details, notes, and assigned projects. Communicate with ease thanks to Twilio and Zoom integrations. Facilitate effective teamwork. After finding a perfect freelancer, turn their candidate profile into a co-worker profile and start cooperating inside the system. Always know what each of your freelancers is doing, what's the stage of their projects, and how much time a given task takes to complete. Track your team's activities, put important dates into proper agendas, receive reminders, and never miss important deadlines. Settle accounts with ease. Payroll management has never been easier. Set hourly rates and decide which of your freelancers' tasks are billable. If needed, set custom hourly rates for chosen freelancers. Check your employees' timesheets and time logs. Based on this information, summarize their work costs and settle accounts with ease. Start using our all-in-one project management system. Go to firmbee.com and use it for free.